Hello everyone, and welcome to The Old Attic. You've found your way to our special sleep lecture series. Settle in, get comfortable. Tonight, we're not just talking about sleep. We're journeying into its very heart, exploring why this simple daily act is the most powerful tool we have for a vibrant life. Think of this space, this old attic, as a sanctuary, a place far removed from the hustle and bustle where we can quiet our minds and listen to the ancient wisdom our bodies hold. So, what exactly is sleep? We often think of it as just switching off, but nothing could be further from the truth. Sleep is an incredibly active and meticulously organized process. It's like a highly skilled night crew coming in to repair, restore, and prepare a grand theater for the next day's performance. Without this crew, the stage would crumble, the lights would fail, and the show simply couldn't go on. Our sleep is broadly divided into two main types: REM sleep, which stands for rapid eye movement, and non-REM sleep. Non-REM sleep is further broken down into three stages. Imagine you're just starting to drift off. That's stage one. You're in that floaty space between wakefulness and sleep. Your muscles relax, your heart rate slows. You might experience a sudden muscle twitch, that feeling of falling. That's called a hypnic jerk. It's a perfectly normal sign that your body is transitioning into rest. Then you sink a little deeper into stage two. This is where you spend about half of your total sleep time. Your body temperature drops and your brain waves slow down. Your brain is actively working to block out external stimuli, helping you stay asleep. It's like the doors to the theater are being gently closed and locked, ensuring the night crew can work without interruption. Next comes the magic of stage three, also known as deep sleep or slow wave sleep. This is the most restorative part of the sleep cycle. During this time, your body is in full repair mode. It releases growth hormone to repair tissues and muscles. Your immune system gets a major boost, producing proteins called cytokines that fight off infection and inflammation. Your brain also gets a deep clean. A fascinating system called the glymphatic system kicks into high gear, washing away metabolic waste products that accumulate in the brain during the day. Think of it as a power wash for your neurons. This is absolutely crucial for long-term brain health and cognitive function. Without sufficient deep sleep, you wake up feeling physically drained and mentally foggy. After cycling through these non-REM stages, we enter the world of REM sleep. This is where the story gets really interesting. Your brain activity suddenly looks very similar to when you're awake. Your eyes dart back and forth behind your closed eyelids, hence the name rapid eye movement. Your breathing and heart rate become more irregular. But here's the twist. Your body is essentially paralyzed. This is a brilliant safety mechanism called muscle atonia, which prevents you from acting out your dreams. And dreams are the hallmark of REM sleep. This is when our most vivid, narrative-driven dreams occur. While we still don't know everything about why we dream, we know it's incredibly important. Dreaming helps us process emotions. Think of all the feelings and experiences from your day: joy, stress, frustration. REM sleep is like a nightly therapy session where your brain sorts through these emotions, integrating them into your memory and helping you cope. It's also vital for learning and memory consolidation. While deep sleep strengthens factual memories, REM sleep seems to be more involved in cementing procedural memories and creative problem solving. Have you ever gone to bed with a difficult problem and woken up with the solution? You can thank REM sleep for that. Your brain was working on it all night, making connections you wouldn't have made while awake. These sleep cycles, from light sleep to deep sleep, and then to REM, repeat themselves about 4 to 6 times throughout the night, with each cycle lasting around 90 minutes. In the first half of the night, we spend more time in deep sleep. As the night progresses, the REM stages get longer, and the deep sleep stages get shorter. This is why a full night's sleep is so important. If you cut your sleep short, you're primarily cheating yourself out of that crucial, brain-boosting REM sleep that dominates the early morning hours. So how do we ensure we get enough of this high-quality sleep? It all starts long before your head hits the pillow. It starts with creating a sleep-friendly lifestyle. Let's talk about light. Our bodies have an internal 24-hour clock called the circadian rhythm, and it's heavily influenced by light. When you expose yourself to bright light in the morning, especially sunlight, you send a powerful signal to your brain that says it's time to be awake and alert. This helps anchor your internal clock. Conversely, as evening approaches, we need to signal to our brain that it's time to wind down. This is where our modern world presents a major challenge. The blue light emitted from our phones, tablets, and computers is particularly disruptive. It tricks our brain into thinking it's still daytime, suppressing the release of melatonin, the hormone that makes us feel sleepy. My best advice? Create a digital sunset. Aim to put away all screens at least an hour, preferably 2, before bed. Use this time to do something relaxing. Read a physical book under a warm, dim light. Listen to calming music. Take a warm bath, which can help lower your core body temperature and signal sleep. Your sleep environment, your bedroom, is your sanctuary. It should be a haven for rest, not a multi-purpose room. The 3 golden rules for a perfect sleep environment are cool, dark, and quiet. Our bodies sleep best in a slightly cool room. Invest in blackout curtains or a good sleep mask to make your room as dark as possible. Even small amounts of light can disrupt your sleep quality. And if you live in a noisy area, consider using a white noise machine or earplugs to block out disruptive sounds. What about what we eat and drink? Caffeine is a well-known sleep disruptor. It's a stimulant that can stay in your system for many hours. A good rule of thumb is to avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Alcohol is another tricky one. While a glass of wine might make you feel sleepy initially, it severely disrupts your sleep architecture later in the night. It suppresses REM sleep and can lead to more frequent awakenings. And while a big meal right before bed can cause discomfort and indigestion, going to bed hungry can also wake you up. A light, healthy snack an hour or so before bed, like a banana or a small bowl of oatmeal, can be beneficial. Let's not forget the power of a routine. Our bodies thrive on consistency. Try to go to bed and wake up around the same time every day. Even on weekends. Yes, even on weekends. This stabilizes your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Create a relaxing pre-sleep ritual. This could be anything from gentle stretching and journaling to meditation or deep breathing exercises. This ritual acts as a cue, telling your mind and body that the day is over and it's time to transition into a state of rest. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, our minds just won't switch off. We lie in bed, thoughts racing, replaying the day, or worrying about tomorrow. If you find yourself unable to fall asleep after about 20 minutes, get out of bed. The worst thing you can do is lie there getting frustrated because your brain will start to associate your bed with anxiety instead of sleep. Go to another room, keep the lights dim, and do something calm and boring until you feel sleepy again. Then, return to bed. This helps re-establish that strong mental connection between your bed and sleep. I want you to reframe how you think about sleep. It's not a luxury. It's a non-negotiable biological necessity. It's not wasted time. It's the most efficient thing you can do to improve your mood, your health, your productivity, and your creativity. Every single night you have the opportunity to give yourself the incredible gift of restoration. It is an act of self-care, an investment in your future self. So tonight, as you prepare for bed, I want you to do so with intention. Honor this sacred time. Dim the lights, put away the screens, listen to your body's cues. As you close your eyes, thank your body for all the incredible work it does, and trust in the profound healing power of sleep. Let go of the day and allow yourself to drift into the quiet, restorative darkness. Thank you for joining me here in the Old Attic. I hope this has been helpful. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lectures on the art and science of sleep. Good night.